Configuring custom ports in Pegasus Mail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched Pegasus Mail. To configure custom ports for your email account, first click the Tools tab. Then click Internet Options. Click the Receiving POP3 tab here. Select the POP3 host we already have set up, then click Edit. This is where you change your incoming port number. Click OK when finished making changes. Next, click the Sending SMTP tab here. Select your SMTP host, then click Edit. Now let's change our outgoing SMTP server port number. Click OK when finished. Click OK again. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure custom ports in Pegasus Mail.